Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Open GeForce Experience and toggle in-game overlay on from settings. You must sign into your Nvidia account to access recording features and instant replay. Confirm your drivers are version 470 or newer before proceeding to avoid compatibility issues. Turn on the FPS counter and set it to 60 to monitor performance while recording. Restart your game or application after enabling the overlay to ensure the hotkeys register correctly. Open the overlay and go to Settings, then Recordings to configure quality. Set resolution to 1920x 1080 and frame rate to 60 FPS for smooth captures. Choose H, 264 or HEVC encoder and set bitrate to 50 Mbps for high-quality recordings. Pick directories and confirm your save location has enough space for long sessions. Toggle microphone on or off and set audio levels in the Audio tab to balance game and voice volume. Open the overlay with Alt+Z and learn the default hotkeys for quick control. Use Alt+F9 to start and stop manual recordings when you know you will create long footage. Enable instant replay and set duration to 5 or 10 minutes to automatically capture recent gameplay moments. Press Alt+F10 to save the most recent instant replay to disk instantly. Use Alt+F1 to take a screenshot and check your recorded file in the chosen directory.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.